Hey guys, something's wrong with my 50-ton press. So the problem with my 50-ton press is it doesn't have any wheels. Now, some guys say, hey, you should bolt this down to the concrete so you can anchor it. But here's the thing. I have like a little tiny shop here, and I have a space problem. So the best way to deal with space problems is casters. So, overall, if you're interested in this Grizzly press, I've got a video. Check out I have a whole playlist of videos for this press. I really love it. Anyways, today I'm going to do an upgrade. And I'm going to upgrade, and I'm going to put some casters on it. Now, it comes with holes, that's probably for anchoring to the concrete. But I'm going to go ahead and put casters on it. Now, this might not even be strong enough for casters. I may need to replace this with a piece of 2x2 square tubing with holes, okay? So, do this at your own risk. I want to say that right now. No promises, no guarantee that this can actually support casters. So, before you all, write me a whole bunch of angry messages about how this is a terrible idea and super stupid, I'm trying it anyways. How about that? So I'll throw a link to some stem casters just like these that fit in those holes right there. That link will be in the description after I find them. Right now, I bought these at Harbor Freight. Let me see, I'll show you what they are. So you can go to Harbor Freight. 4-inch swivel caster with brake, made in China. That's the item number. I will find an Amazon comparable for those of you who don't have a Harbor Freight close by, and you can pick them up on Amazon or anywhere actually. So anyways, that's the plan. I'm gonna pause now and I'll show you the finished product. This is so easy. You can do it with one hand while filming. So I always put a flat washer under my lock washers so you don't destroy the paint. It actually allows it to be removable. If you don't put the flat washer in, if you ever take this off, you will dig deep into this metal and you'll damage the nut and this metal. So if you ever plan on possibly removing these in the future, use a flat washer. Alright, so we're all finished up. And if you've been screaming at the screen and typing the whole time, you were correct. Because this is the moral of the story here, guys. Pretty sure you can see what I can see. That these feet, are not, absolutely not, strong enough for casters. Look how much that's flexing. I mean, you can see it's completely twisting, and you absolutely cannot roll this thing around using these feet. Now, I know from the very beginning those were for lagging this thing down, and I considered not even posting this video, because why post it, right? There's always that risk that some Yahoo watches the first 50 seconds, clicks away and does it and kills himself. But look, I gave a disclaimer at the very beginning. This is real life, guys. I'm not a perfect person who's infallible. So, now you know. Stem casters in place of the hold down holes, not a good idea. Not a good idea at all. So, I am not done with this idea. I will come back with an update in the future. For a legitimate way to put this thing on casters. One that is safe, one that is solid. Just not this way. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up for being real and not hiding, my failures. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the support. I'll see you later.